Alright, good morning everybody. Let's be quick with the analysis here. Things are already moving quite nicely. So looking at GJ, closed above this resistance, and we are already moving up. 4 hour also closed above resistance. Looks like we are about to break the highs, which is looking like a pretty good place for a buy stop. If it breaks the highs and just drives up, I will miss the trade, as I'm a little bit slow here. But you know, this is normally the starting time of the stream, so if price is already moving, I may have to miss a move or two, and we'll get involved a little bit later. Alright, 30 minutes also finding support really nicely there. This hourly candle is about to close, so this is great. We would have had to wait for the closure anyway. Let's have a look at gold real quick. Gold, I think, will give us a little bit more of a chance here. 4 hour closed below support here. So right now we are creating a top wick on the 4 hour candle to potentially continue driving down. We'll just wait for a lower time frame resistance right here, or a closure below 1692 to continue driving down. Let's see these closures on GJ. No top wick. FFF trader referred you. Oh, that's great. Thanks, Jared. You might see you on here today, or you might see Jared on here. Let's see, let's get the Discord up. Okay, it looks good, but I think I'll have to be a bit patient here. We closed no top wick, it's pre-London. I mean, the setup is good, but you know, I would really like to have stops below the previous hourly, and that's 46 pips. Unless we come back down, create a nice steep bottom wick, I'll leave this for now. But I would really like to have been taking buys right around here. Alright, but GJ is pretty straightforward here today. We're moving up, clean range to 166 as discussed yesterday. Price is filling that range right now. Yeah, very straightforward. At this point, I'm just hoping that we actually do retrace a little bit here before London open, so we can get those bars moving up, get some nice stop losses, nice stop loss placement. Morning, Jared. High gold target 1500. GJ, please. I'm on GJ. Do you only take trades during London session? For the most part, streams are only during London session. Con, we instantly need to know where gold is going. Ah man, 1500. First targets for the day are 1685. Four-hour setup is looking pretty good. Alright, since the 4 hour is setting up so nicely, what I'm really just waiting for now is a closure back below 1694. And then I'll be happy to start taking some sells here. This range is about 20 pips, so that would be my break-even point if we did get into sells right around where price is right now. But it looks like we may just continue to move down. If that's the case, I think I'll be waiting for a closure below 1692. Am I waiting for candle closure? 9 times out of 10, I'm waiting for a candle closure. Today I might get creative. I was going to say today I might get creative and take a 4-hour flip entry. But I mean, at the end of the day, we still had that previous 4-hour candle close, and that's what we're basing it off. So yeah, pretty much always waiting for a candle closure of some sort. Straightforward here on gold. I'm not looking for buys. What's the point? What time frame am I using when trading price action? Every time frame. From the weekly, daily, 4 hour, 2 hour, no, not 2 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, sometimes a 5 minutes, sometimes a 1 minute, sometimes a 1 second. No, I'm joking. From a day-to-day basis, I'm generally looking at a daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes. 30 minute becomes more of an entry time frame for me. Okay, GJ is doing exactly what we want to see here. Pulling back a little bit. It's so cold. So we're pushing up on gold, and what I'm looking at is for sells here we need a closure below support or we need a resistance to form. So if we're pushing up, we've got this resistance right here, which we could end up respecting, but I have a feeling that we'll have a fake out of that level and we will retest 1700. So if we can form resistance at 1700 or even 1698, could be potentially looking for sells off of some of those levels as well. From where are you? South Africa. I really like how GJ is setting up. I was saying I would like to see a steep bottom wick on this new candle. That's exactly what's happening here. So generally I'd be looking at a buy stop on the break of the highs here. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I'd like to see us tap into 165, 230 before placing a buy stop. See, the thing is we have London open in 55 minutes. 55? 45. So I just want to be patient here. Your 15 is also about to close. Probably bearish, so let's just be patient. And the news. Our way. Got some minor GBP news 12 minutes ago. Other than that, ooh, we have a red folder at 11. Alright, GJ might be a little bit tricky. We've got a lot of high impact news, or a lot of speeches coming up at 11. But we've got time right now. I think if this 15-minute closes above resistance, respects that level, I'll have buy stops on the break of the highs here. 165. Let's say 550. 545. So I haven't placed them just yet. I want to see how the candle closes. Got 30 seconds here. hourly, 30-minute, 4-hour. Everything is valid to drive up here. Alright, I'm going to place buy stops on the break of the current candle high. And then if we don't get triggered in the next 10 minutes, I will delete. Stops are about 30 pips below the previous 30-minute candle. 33 pips, let's say. Johan, I'm trying to read your message, but I'm struggling here. I've Johannesburg or maybe around Cape Town, but I'm from Kimberley and started trading this year. Where did I learn? From the internet, from YouTube. Just like you are right now. And you are in the right place, so just stick with it. Morning Motos today, what's up? Five more minutes. If we don't get triggered in, I'm deleting bar stops. No worries, Sean. Guessed wrong. From the Eastern Cape. Am I waiting for support to form? Seems as though support has already formed, so I've got a buy stop in here on the break of the highs. But I may delete them. Probably will end up deleting them. The issue is we have London open shortly. We're up 1 pip for the week. So you can either enter on black line or red line. I've got a buy stop order on the red line. So if price comes up to that level, my order will get triggered in and I'll be in the trade. Let's give it 2 minutes. Guys, I've been meaning to start working on a baby pips kind of like free course on my website. So I've got a crash course up, but I'd like to have something so that complete beginners can go there and at least understand the lingo when it comes to pips, lots, buy stops, sell stops, stop loss, take profit, support, resistance, just the basics, very basics. What do you guys think of that? Are there any beginners in here who would be keen to check that out? Me, bossman. Nico, you're the one who taught me about pips. I'm on the Discord if you guys want to join. Okay, nothing happening here. Let's delete these bar stops. Bar stops gone. We're just waiting. Still valid here to drive up if we do break the high. May need to break out the chessboard. I think we'll be fine. 15-minute close, bullish. Nice, looks like gold is potentially forming resistance right here. But we're just waiting for the hourly candle to close. Thanks for the sub, Damon. Nice bottom wick on the hourly. If we come up just before the closure and close doji, I think it would make sense to just replace those exact same buy stops on the break of the high. And then with London open volume, we should continue driving up to 166. We've got about 25 minutes. Good morning, what's up? No trades just yet. We had buy stops and deleted them on GJ. Look at GJ. This is exactly what I was talking about on the hourly. But if we break previous 30-minute highs, we could just drive up here. Yesterday we certainly had volume at this time. Pushed up. And to the left, there's nothing stopping price from moving up here. So let's see. I'm gonna wait 1 minute. I want to see this 5-minute candle close. But I want to replace those same buy stops. So stops are about 33 pips. And I'm going to place a buy stop right here at 165.545 on the break of the previous candle high. I've got my stop loss below the previous bullish candle. I could say for about 33 pips. I'm in. I think the spreads are bigger on GJ than I was expecting. But yeah, I'm in. Targets are 160, 166, 080. My stops on my broker are 165, 190. Yeah, on TradingView, 165, 200. break even point. I'd like to go break even at 165, 680. I don't really want to move stops to break even too soon. There's no real resistance to the left, it's just clean traffic. But the thing is, we have London open soon, so if we can get to break even, I think it's a good idea to just do that. I would have liked to have seen this 15-minute close above this previous resistance, but I'm happy that we've still closed bullish. So that's fine for now. What's up, Jared? Good in you? Let me turn you up here on YouTube. How are you keeping?
Oh, going well. I took a break even yesterday and got in a little bit of a buy this morning
On?
on gold.
Oh, nice.
You know, after that rejection week, I got in on the break of the high, and now just waiting for resistance to form before going back down.
Yeah. Are you still in your bars or what?
No, I'm already out. My entry was 1696.37. On the break of the 15-minute high on 7:45 candle.
Oh,
And
nice.
then I targeted the wick fill.
Yeah, that is nice because you're breaking back into that range.
And I knew there's clean traffic to the left and there's a possible wick fill. So I was like, stops below 20 pips, it's gonna work out. So yeah, but I was I was very nervous when it closed back bearish because we obviously are heavily bearish, looking for a creation of resistance. I was like, damn man, let me just see where this goes. Jeez, see Nick is in the chat here.
Yeah, he said you'd hop on Discord now.
Yeah.
Oh, there he is. I see him.
Mm-hmm. What's up?
What's up?
You guys triggered in on this?
Pardon?
Are you triggered in on this?
Yeah, I'm in. Got
Did
in
you
when
get
it
in on
broke the previous 30-minute
double?
high.
I was making tea and then I deleted the bar stop, and then I saw it wicked came back, and then I put it back there. So I'm not in yet.
Okay. Yeah, I just like how it created such a steep bottom wick on the hourly and actually broke that previous 30-minute low, because I don't know, in these setups I often see GJ, you know, come back down and break a previous candle low before then driving up.
To be honest, I don't think I should take this trade. I think I should call it a day. But I mean, let us see. I'm not talking about the trade itself. I don't think I should take another trade for the day. Is what I
Yeah,
mean.
no, I know what you're saying.
Did you get in on something this morning?
Yeah, I got fucking. They took me for 4 rounds this morning, bro, and they fucked me up in all 4 rounds in that boxing ring.
Dude,
Morning.
just like what Nate Diaz is gonna do to comes up tomorrow.
Nah.
Nah, you see, Diaz is at least just gonna get fucking. He's gonna lose in first round, bro. I'm talking about 4 rounds at least. Jared, come now.
Nah, dude, he's gonna win, dude. I've put money on it. Eh? Like
If
I'm
you're on,
just
okay, hey,
sports
listen,
betting.
I'm not listening to this, but if you believe Diaz is gonna win, bro, you are fucking blind when you watch UFC. That's all I believe.
Yeah,
Well,
nah, Jared.
That
Have you
man
seen
is.
Khamzat?
I'm not saying
Dude.
Diaz is bad, bro. That Jared, you're misunderstanding me. Diaz is good, but Diaz is chalk, bro. His time is gone. It's not there for Diaz anymore. That's done for him, bro. He's had his UFC days. It's finished. It's not him anymore. And
Dude, look
Jemiah,
what
that
he-
man
yeah.
motherfucker, going against someone that's chalked already. Don't waste my time, yeah. Please. You're
Dude,
gonna waste your
look
own.
what he did to Leon Edwards, bro. And then look what Leon Edwards
Oh,
did to
you
Kamsa
fucking
Chimaev.
retard.
Nah, but you can't use that kind of math. I think
What
Leon
the-
was chilling because it was like the end of the
Team what?
fight.
Because he was not focused anymore because Diaz was becoming such an easy fight because he was gassed and he wasn't even throwing punches anymore. He was throwing air. And then that guy was chilling, got caught off guard, got hit once hard. That is it. Once hard. Look at the fight. Must have seen you a Google picture of that guy's face after the fight. Not one scratch on his face, my guy.
Nate
Please.
Diaz, did
Please.
you breathe on him a little bit too hard and his eyebrow cuts open. So I mean, that's not a fair comparison, you know?
What do you mean? It's not. What do you mean? The Oak
With
won.
Leon
Every
Edwards.
fucking round. I think Diaz won 1 out of the 5 rounds, bro. I mean, if I'm winning 4 out of 5, I think I'm the winner, eh? So,
No, dude, that's not how it works.
right.
And you see, another huge indication that Nate Diaz is going to win is he has more followers on Instagram. I mean, surely that has some weight.
What
to
the
it,
fuck, Jared?
Jared, okay, wait. I have an honest question. Did you already place the bet on Diaz and realize you fucked up and you're trying to make up just to make it sound better for yourself? Oh, what's happening here?
I feel
I think
discriminated
maybe that
against
could be
by
the case.
I think this man already put a bet in that he can't get out of, and it's fast now. You're trying to make yourself believe that Diaz is gonna win.
Dude, I really believe in Diaz on this one.
I think you'll be super lucky if Nate wins. If you've taken a bet and Nate wins.
Have you seen the odds, dude? Dude, like,
First round, Nate Diaz is losing, and he's either tapping out or he's sleeping. Okay, he's either getting choked out, he's tapping out, or whatever is in the lock is getting broken, and fight's getting stopped by TKO. Watch, but first round.
dude, Nate Diaz is gonna pump him. Okay? It's actually
Unless-
gonna be unfair.
Yeah, but unless Jemiah says, "Well, fuck you, Diaz. You want to act hard? Let's act gangster and throw hands straight up in the cage." Because Jemiah would do that. He is that fucking crazy.
But just look at Chimaev's fight with Gilbert Burns the other day. So Gilbert Burns is basically like top of the division. He's
Yes,
top. And Nate isn't at the top of the division. His time is come and gone. And look what Chimaev did against Burns. It was a tough fight, a very tough fight. But this is like his 5th or 6th fight in the UFC.
Dude, I know.
He's
okay?
tough. He's
It's-
tough as nails. You thought
Did-
Nate was
did you
tough.
see-
Chamaev is
No,
a
I've-
different beast.
Yeah, I've spoken to Diaz personally. I gave him a ring yesterday, and I said to Nate, "You promise you're gonna win?" And he's like, "Yeah, man." So, you know,
Well, did you
he
see
has
Diaz
to win.
one of his, like followers? He paid him the money that he lost on a bet before. The guy
Yeah.
was like, "Fuck!" Oh no, wait, I don't think it was Nate. Actually, I think it was his brother. But
Yeah,
anyway,
it was Nate.
the guy,
I don't
the
know
guy
what
was
you're talking about.
in the comment. The guy was like, "Yeah, fuck! I lost all my rent." I think he said on a
Oh,
bet on you, man. But I didn't like tune him. He just like, "Fuck," you know.
hey,
And then
chat.
make you
If
feel-
any of you do this in the stream, if you lose all your money on a trade, I'm not paying you back. Just so you know.
Yeah, I was gonna say yes.
No,
This is
Chat,
where we
don't
draw
lie.
the line.
Connor's got this thing on his page. If you subscribe to it, if you lose any money while on chat, you can get all of it back, bro.
Yeah, you just have to
Reclaim.
keep it a form,
Free
man.
claims. And if he's feeling really nice, he even gives a little extra to make you feel better for the day.
Yeah, he covers commissions as well.
You guys
Commission.
wish.
Actually, last night I got paid for swap, because I kept my trade in.
Oh shit, and you're in profit or what?
No, I was negative, but they paid me swap. And then Justin got paid for commission, which was very fucking weird.
What?
His swap
For
was
commission.
negative, but commission got paid back. It was fucked. We didn't understand it either.
I've never seen that, eh?
I don't know.
Get paid for commission. That's
Yeah,
strange.
but the thing is, that he's on phase 2, so that's why we were like, swap won't get charged. But then commission, like, where the fuck have you ever seen someone get paid commission?
Oh, dude, jeez, what break is this, eh? Where do you sign up?
Where do you sign up?
Yes. Dude.
You don't pay commission, they pay you commission.
Yeah, dude, yes. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's how
It
brokers
was
make
weird
money, eh?
because
What is it? What do they say? A guaranteed salary.
Yeah, I know, yes.
You know, who's that?
you
Funding
your
company?
commissions. Guaranteed salary. You're just getting paid your commissions now. That's all. All the trades you took, just go eyeball. 100 lots everywhere, bro.
Yo,
Oh,
fat
you
100 lots.
close it within the millisecond, eh?
Wait, but no, hey, wait, you two must keep quiet now. Where's my Johan en Versace? Manne, is julle nog hier so? Is julle nou weg?
Sê vir ons, is hy hier of nie, of was die planne boys?
Yeah, because Connor wasn't entertaining my fellow Afrikaners, so
In a Dutchman, eh?
Dutchman.
yeah, we're gonna fight.
Luckily, very far away, so I can speak the big talk, eh? Until I come down to East London, then I'm gonna be like, Niku, you look so nice today. Oh my word. Eh? I'm gonna be all compliments, eh?
Ish, bro. Maybe I should just close this trading for the fucking day.
I think we're just gonna keep pushing at London Open. Big push.
I'm down 4.3%.
Hey?
I'm down 4.3.
For the day.
Mm-hmm.
What the fuck, Nico? Do you want a push club?
Please do if you can. If you don't know
Where do you sign
Johan.
up? Because Nate Diaz gives them out like you cannot
Oh,
believe.
fuck.
Stockton slap.
Must come to me too, bro. Please. Maybe it will fix my brain for doing fucking dumb mistakes like I do. Well, not mistakes, to be honest. That's 4 trades gone. So I mean, it is kind of valid that I'm 4.3% down because it's 4
Yeah.
bad trades. So it's not like a big trade that fucked me, but I should have stopped. Okay, let me just explain. This morning we took trades. We sold gold at 1702.
Is this Asian? Sorry.
Yeah. No, this is last night late at 10 o'clock. We sold gold on the. You see the big fucking wick that happened on the hour candle? There's a big wick and then there's a big bull candle right next to it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we sold it after that wick happened. We sold it on the last hour of the day. Do you think we might just get a low break and a push?
Alrighty,
then
let's go
literally-
break even, yeah?
Jeez, dude.
And
I can't spawn.
I'm gonna
spam
close
W.
half. The thing is, London Open, we could get a bottom wick here and get tapped out.
I'm closing full, bro, to be honest with you. I just want to accept 4%, not 4.3. I just want a free 1%, bro. That's all. So I don't care if it drives even.
Well done on that trade. It was a very nice call out. How many pips
Shots.
were you up?
Morning before.
What's
When
that?
you closed off?
15? Yeah, about 16
Tell,
pips.
tell me something. If you, I'm not sure how you do it, but let's say now you're in a trade, you go up 15 pips, you close half, it hits break even, right?
Yeah,
Do you count that 15 pip win?
yeah,
Just
Or do
technically
you,
it is.
do you gotta have 15 pips or 7.5?
15.
Yeah, I would say that's fair.
Oh
because
yes,
you're
but that
still
is
closing
valid. Just
out.
because but just because your lot's changing doesn't mean you have to change the pip count. At the end of the day, I might be using what he's closing half on. So
Yeah, true.
no, that's valid actually. I don't know why I just thought so stupidly.
Nah, it is tricky though.
And then,
When you're closing
no,
half, like to count, okay, if you're closing half of your trade at 15 pips, yeah, I suppose you could say it's 7.5.
you
But
could, but
it,
not us, man.
yeah, well,
For you, yes, not for us. Think about it. If I use, let's say, a 0.2 lot and you use a 0.4 lot and you close half, you closing what I would have closed on full. So it's valid. 15 pips is 15 pips, bro. It's just obviously for your own, for your luck,
yeah,
you know, for your account, you can say it's 7.5 because it's not the lot you use normally, etc., etc. If you're working your own shit out, your risk and shit.
Yeah, no, but I think that's valid because if you call out 20
Cool.
pips
Nice.
and then you close at 10, you close half, you still won the trade.
yeah.
Yeah,
But
so
this is kind of the standard in
Connor?
like streaming, live stream trading. I know other streamers who do the same thing basically.
They keep the same pip count, even
Yeah.
if they close out. But I just think it's valid now that we spoke about it. Wanted to ask you, Con. Okay, I'll wait quickly.
Dude, that's such a good call there. Well done. So yeah, London Open. Gonna see some volume here, see what happens. Gold's also at an interesting level.
That's a nice bottom wick, eh? If it goes up.
It's a nice bottom wick. If it does go up, we have to survive
very
break
nice.
even, yeah.
I wanted to ask you, Con, do you close half of your position when you're in drawdown, or do you close less than half?
No, I'll close half.
So it's a full half closure, and same with this now. If you're in profit, you close full half.
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, we
Oh,
just need to
sorry.
survive this bottom wick.
Survive,
Let me just tell you
survive,
this.
survive.
Oh, there we go. So, what was I saying? Oh, so we took those sells. Market literally, bro. When I'm telling you that market turned, it turned, went from that entry. Okay, my entry was 1701.3. Okay, market went to 1703. So that's where it closed. So we kept our trades in for the next day.
Oh,
Next day
shit.
started. No. Ran down full, bro. Ran all the way down, broke our entries, ran down maybe 4 pips. We looked at it, broke the low even. Well, no, it didn't break the full low, but broke the current lows, if that makes sense. Literally sat, waited, watched that thing flip, my guy. When I say it flipped, it turned, went straight back up. Like, it literally made the low and went right back up, never fucking looked back. Me and Justin got over 13, we closed trades. And then Justin sent me a screenshot at like 3 this morning of that big ass bear candle. And our TPs were 95, eh?
Okay, that's break
So-
even for me.
Did you get stomped?
Yeah.
We got Connor.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah. Oh wait, stream was delayed. That's why, Jared. Because I was yeah. Oh, Connor, I wanted to tell you, bro. Your stream, like, wait, even today, bro, your stream's on point with the delay, eh?
Is it better
Yeah, bro.
than it used to be?
Yesterday, yeah, much better. Yesterday as well. It's only 4 seconds, and today it's like 5-6 seconds.
That's chilled. I mean, that's as good as it's gonna get.
That's never gonna get better than that. Don's stream is 3-4 seconds, bro, and he's running the best of the best shit probably.
Hey,
So that's
hey,
a good.
so am I, so am I.
Closing half messes up the risk reward ratio when you
Yeah.
get
We're all
into
reading, yeah.
useful.
Reading your head, man. Yes, yes.
I'm reading it out for chat if somebody's listening and not watching.
Huh?
What he's saying is if you in a trade you go into drawdown and you close half, then you have to get double the amount of pips to get back that initial loss because you're running half a lot. Half your lot.
No, that doesn't make sense. You literally just have to make the same move up, and if you want to make double the move, you want to make profit for yourself as well. But if you want
Yeah.
to get it out on break even, getting the same move up is you getting out on break even and not losing the trade. I mean, if you have a runner, you're definitely making profit. If you don't have a runner and you're just holding, then you might just get out on BE.
But yeah, I mean, you don't necessarily have to look at it like a risk reward thing that now you have to get double because the market doesn't work like that. You have to
That's about the
look
risk,
at it for the setup. So, I mean, if you can see, listen, I'm not really comfortable holding the full trade to run down, then, you shouldn't, just be like, oh, it's going to mess up my risk reward. You have to try lose less. And then, I mean, if it does flip, then you have to see, okay, cool. If I weren't in a trade, would I take this trade? That's the way I see it. Look at it. So even if you're holding a runner and it comes to a level of interest, you can't just blindly leave it. You have to be like, would I get into a trade from this point? We at a certain level and it still needs stuff to happen. So you can't just blindly let trades run to stop loss and take profit if you have very big take profits, for example. I mean, you could get to a level of interest, be like, okay, it looks like it's going to reverse. It is reversing. We've either created a rejection wick or we've tapped into a zone and driving away. So then you can start to get it from that point of view instead of just, oh, this risk reward.
What the fuck's that? Sorry, your house is burning down, bro. Run.
GJ still looks pretty good to drive up. The issue here is with entering again, stops are pretty big. Below the previous candle, it's about 40 pips. And our target is about 40 pips as well.
Sorry, that was just my washing machine.
Yeah?
Sorry. Oh, it's silent.
But that's sort of why I don't necessarily agree with the whole thing of I'm going to close 90% at 10 pips. It's like you need to take it for what the trade is. I mean, if you've got a range going up of 40 pips and you're moving up, there's absolutely no signs of rejection or bearish candles whatsoever. I mean, let it run. Like let the full position run to the next level of interest, then look at closing. Because I mean, what is the difference between 9 pips, 10 pips, 11 pips? It's just a number, you know what I mean? Where it's just a psychological thing of, oh, I need to close at 10 pips. Why? If you got in 2 pips, earlier, then would you have closed 10 pips there or 12 pips? Or, so I really believe in having a look at the setup rather than having a religious rule of 10 pips, I'm out. You know what I mean?
I have to tell you something, Con.
I'm just looking here, I'm thinking about taking another bar stop. I'm just trying to think. 15-minute stops. Yeah, I already look pretty good here. On the break of the previous candle high, stops below the 15-minute candle. So let's say bar stop at 165.730.
Yeah, no, that you see exactly what we spoke about now.
We are in. Stops are below the
in
previous 15. TP still up here at 166, 080.
Sorry, so what I was saying was this is exactly it.
Where's Lufato? What candle is Lufato speaking about?
I think he's just speaking general.
I've noticed that if price breaks out of a candle with no bottom wick, it wicks.
I'm like to the opposite, like what just happened. That's why I'm asking. I think all candles have wicks, but they like she's just speaking about if they don't have wicks.
Yeah, if a candle doesn't have a wick, you'll often see price come back and create that wick.
Even on gold, if like an hour candle closes with no bottom wick and it's going up, the next candle tends to go fucking make a wick on the new candle and then come back. It's annoying.
Even if it does drive, like let's say in a bearish trend, and then let's just say like an hourly candle, for example, drives and it creates a low. Usually what happens is structure will come back to create that top wick, even though it's not in that candle, if that makes any sense. So that could also be like a target type thing if you're looking to buy support to come up, create that top wick as a retest of that level and then drive. Does that make sense?
Sorry, I wasn't paying attention.
I got what you were saying. Sorry, I was muted, but I was speaking to myself.
No stress. I'll actually look for an example. It happened the other day on gold.
Gunnar, you're paying me back for losing 0.5%.
Hey.
Oh, fuck. This is gonna boom up now. 15 closes. Watch this trade run, dude. Always. Fuck. When sessions open, bro, the first 15 that opens in that session is always funk, dude. After that, it chooses the better thing and runs.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm gonna go feed piranhas quickly. I'll be in up.
Sure.
Wink.
I'll be honest, I'm not 100% comfortable with the 15-minute stops.
You know, widen it.
But I don't really want to widen it. I think we should be alright in this instance, but generally, I think I'm going to stop using 15-minute candle as a stop. Stops right here below the 30-minute will be much better.
If 15 closes, then we shouldn't break the 15 low. Then I think it becomes valid, but at the moment I don't think so. That's a big ass fucking stop loss then. I was telling you, Con and Jared, but yesterday at gym, I'm sitting on the shoulder press. I'm shoulder pressing. There's a kid, well, not a kid, but like, oh, well, he's a kid. He's 17, but yeah, he's sitting next to me. Okay, just wait. Let me just go fucking manage this thing quick.
It makes you feel so old, dude. Yo. The kids are 17. Oh.
Yeah, you two can shut the fuck up, okay? Because you're younger than me. Yeah, I'm just 25. It's not that bad. Anyway, so
Nick, you're closer to 50 than 0.
Shut up.
Yes.
So he's a push this thing, eh? Yes,
So yeah, what happened?
Oh, sorry, I'm just looking at my position because I kind of have to manage right now because I don't have 4% like you motherfuckers. So he was on his phone and it looked like he was playing Clash of Clans. So I was like, oh wait, is that Clash of Clans you jamming there? So the guy was like, no, it's Forex trading.
What?
Bro, I swear to fuck, his screen brightness was down, bro. So it
Oh,
really looked like his phone was playing games, dude. I couldn't see what was on the phone, just a little bit, but it looked like he was literally playing games. So I'm like, oh fuck, my bad, bro. So he shows me what he's doing. It's Euro USD and he's doing analysis and shit on it and just watching it. So I was just like, oh, wait. But fuck, bro. Just the fact that I thought it was Clash of Clans made me laugh. Yeah.
if we
Bro, when
close
it
nice and
does,
bearish like this on the 30 on gold, this will be nice for sales.
I was gonna say just now, that's even check the hourly.
Yeah, I tapped into that level 1700 perfectly. As I was
Oh,
discussing, we had this resistance at 1698, let's say. And I said we could potentially get a fake out of that level, test 1700, form resistance, and then we'll be looking to move back down to support. So a nice bearish closure here, and that'll tick all the boxes.
yeah, but I'm gonna definitely wait for the 30 minutes to close. On this solid here. Next one, create the topic and then start driving.
This 15 closed to West Coast.
Yeah, that's not the nicest closure.
I closed position, bro. I couldn't hold longer. Fuck me off.
Yo, dude, I got an email that said there's a critical security alert. And my heart flipping. Oh, yeah.
We hacked.
I thought so, but no, it's just like when you sign up to stuff,
Yeah.
and then obviously you let them have your data. Like that's how you can use apps and stuff for free.
Oh yeah.
And then sometimes the databases of these companies get exposed online. So then they're not directly after you or anyone in specific, but just everybody that was signed up for that app, like data gets leaked.
Oh
And then
yeah.
it's a break or breach or whatever they call it. So then they just advise you to change your passwords. So then you have to, but that's a mission, and then you have to go through everything and change everything. Oh, it's annoying.
Bat mission.
Yeah.
Fuck GJ if it goes and breaks the fucking entry.
What do you mean?
No, fuck both of you in your trades. I had to close. I couldn't keep it for another fucking pup, bro. So I'm not allowed to be in this trade. Even if I would have held, but I wouldn't have closed if I had a choice. But yeah.
Over risking. Over trader.
Not over risking. I had fucking 1% to risk. You just made that trade go to 0.7. So I can't risk more than that. My fucking knot can't keep up. My arse is clinching here. 0.7%. And you close, you see 4.73% loss. It's too close. Closer than that, I might have to shoot myself. Let me not say that. I had a 7% loss last week, Jared.
Pardon? Say that again?
I had a 7.3% loss last week.
Sure.
The Wednesday.
But didn't you make like 8% the next day?
Yeah, the Thursday I made 8.2.
High risk trader.
Not high risk. I took
21 trades in that day on Thursday.
Fuck's sakes.
I don't play games, yeah, my boy. I had like a few losses too. I had a few break evens.
If only you got paid back commission, bro. Cop the Lambo, eh? Scott will be rolling with his
for
Lambo.
commission payment, bro. For commission payments, you need to keep overnight.
Oh,
For swap payments, you need to double your lot and then keep it overnight. I'm kidding, bro. It's not the real. It's not real. It's not the truth. Before someone doubles their lots to get swap payments and then close trade,
Can you imagine, leave the trade running overnight?
just to get a swap payment and close it for the swap payment. He fucking mad.
open a trade at 23.59, close it at
Another thing is the swap
12:01.
payment was like maybe like 2.5 times the amount of commission. So that was nice.
I think it's a good idea to close 50% here as we break this 15-minute low.
Yeah, no, I think that's a good move to manage the risk better.
Let's see, I haven't closed half just yet.
What you doing today, Con?
Me.
Mm.
I was thinking to start working on that course, that free course.
Cool, if you want some help with that, you must shout, eh?
Shot.
Just short Jared's way, not Nico's way. Oh wait. I'm joking. I'm joking.
I've
No,
got
I can
that.
just type.
I've got that crash course, which I'm gonna take some info from already.
No, I can just type at the speed of light. So
Oh,
if you
like
need,
yeah, that other
what?
course took me like a month, 2 months to do. I was typing it every day for like 3 hours.
jeez, I would have been done in 26 minutes.
Probably.
I'm kidding. Yeah.
I didn't want to close too quickly on the break of that 15-minute low, because I know GJ will do this. Because we've got this
especially for
resistance
London
level right here. So I want to see what price is doing in this area. And you can see right now, it looks like we are finding support.
Just check chat there.
The crash course link on the website isn't working for me. Okay, I'll check it out after stream. Thanks for letting me know.
Connor, how much is your course, bro?
$100.
I've never looked how much it was.
Wait, sorry, how much is it?
$100.
But for you, Jared, special price $1,500.
Exactly.
1.5.
I am willing to, I'm willing
make
to
it
take
fun.
that payment on over the next 6 years.
When you ready, boss man, we wait. What does Don say? Quality doesn't go on sale.
Hey, quality doesn't go on sale. Yeah, you could say that.
Is that what he says? I'm sure he says quality doesn't go on sale. And then he refers himself to Louis Vuitton because Louis Vuitton burn all their extra products. They don't sell them for cheaper.
Jeez, like.
That's
they
what he
do
said.
that. They
I
do
don't know
that
if they
to
really do.
protect the brand image. So they
Nah,
They're
for
like-
sure. I can understand why they do it. Can you imagine, bro? Just sell the shit for cheaper and make more money. Shit.
no, they can't though, because then if everybody has a Louis Vuitton bag, it's going to diminish value.
Hey, bro, not that much cheaper that everyone can afford it. Just a little bit cheaper. Look, fucking 10% off. Not everyone's going to be able to afford it just because it's 10% off.
They would never do. Either buy it at our price and have it as like a only certain people have it or don't have it at all. You know what I mean?
Aren't you kind of just
Seems like the
giving away?
course is fun, but let's see here. Okay. I'll check it out afterwards. I think I know the problem. I hope I know the problem. I was hoping I wouldn't have to go back to this web development story. What a
Yeah.
pain in the ass.
But what I love about nowadays is you can literally YouTube something, and then you YouTube a problem, and somebody has like a 10-second video on how to fix your life. Eh?
Oh, I wish it was 10 seconds. Most of them are like 20 minutes. That's what I was doing. I would watch a video, come back, work on the site, go back, refer to the video. It'd take me like 2 hours to watch a 20-minute video. But as I'm watching the video, I'm working on my site. Are you a web developer? I suppose now I am. I created this site by myself.
But he's a Forex trader.
Oh. Hashtag jack of all trades.
I'm deleting these one-on-one lessons. So, if you guys want a one-on-one lesson, you better book before I take it off.
Yeah. Gonna do it. Could get to visit you on that one-on-one.
What do you mean? Do you want to learn some stuff?
Yes, boss man. Need to learn lots of things. You making money, I'm losing 4.7%. I need to come take lessons.
Just when you go book, you have to select your day. So you first select your day, put in your details, then you fill this out. Oh, fuck, put my address on here. Fuck. The guys will have to end the stream. Oh shit. I don't know how bad that is. There's 38 people in here. Oh. Hey, all of you better shut up. Don't come to my house.
Dude,
Where's the RP? Just give us the RP too, bro. To finish it off, please.
Shit.
Come on. Credit card, RP. Put it all up for us, dude.
That's actually my old address. I've moved.
Yeah, recently in the last 6 seconds.
Nah, I'm serious. I did move. That's my old address.
What was the... To be honest, I do think it was his old address because the road is not his road, but I don't fucking know because I don't live there, so I'm not sure.
Nah,
Dude, I
moved.
would literally piss myself
I
if
think so.
somebody knocks at your door, you open up and it's some like French dude. And then he's like, hi, speaking French, like, I'm here from your stream, I saw your address, I just flew in this morning, like...
One-on-one lesson time, bro.
Oh, dude.
Connor just phone me, bro. I pull up to laugh at everything happening. Oh, I won't. No, never mind. Let me shut the fuck up.
Nah, I'm gonna keep a machete next to my bed. Like Andrew Tate. Yeah, you guys come here, I'm gonna chop you up.
Can you say that on stream? Connor, they're gonna be by your old house, bro. Don't worry. That's cock funny. Even the postal code was there.
You guys can send me some mail.
You have to protect yourself like Nate Diaz at all times from now, eh?
90 years is gonna lose in the first round, bro.
Never. Not happening.
Hey, Vrooshop, tell me, do you believe 90 years is gonna win or Jamaya?
I'm just wondering if this man even watches UFC.
Yeah, bro, I don't fucking know. That's why I just asked him because it's the last chat. Hey, Kevin, who are you choosing? Jamaya or 90 years?
If he says, oh no, I don't really watch tennis, so I'm not too sure.
Yeah, at least he's trying, bro. Or anyone in chat, please just tell me 90 years or Jamaya. And if you say 90 years, rather just don't type. It's fine.
Does anyone in chat watch UFC?
Bro, we speak about a lot of cuck. UFC, gym, games. A lot of cuck on the stream, not just trading, eh?
Yeah, we do.
Yes.
I don't really talk about too much games.
No, near fuck.
Total pips for the week is one.
What's
What's wrong with that?
Bro. Because we are... Yeah, bro. We're up. We're not down.
Guys, please, it's not total pips for the week, it's total pip.
Okay, it's 16 now.
No, listen. Jared, Yeah, your chummy Rohan is in chat clearly because he's not my friend.
Yeah. No,
Hey,
it's
Diaz. No, we're on. Come on now.
UFC
Dude.
just seems too painful. Not really, but it seems very fun. But okay.
Dude, DS is winning, bro. Okay.
Jared, do you want to put money on it?
I have put money on it.
Would you? Yeah,
No,
you put
I
money.
don't. No, I
You
don't
see,
mix my.
Ruan's my friend. Fuck you. Ruan's my friend, not your friend.
Dude, he's just trolling because he's scared of you. He's scared.
Mm. Who the
And
fuck?
he's gonna come such my. You're gonna be
We
no
ain't gonna
DS.
best
You're gonna
of
beat
this,
him
bro.
up.
We watch the fight together and watch Diaz lose. Watch you lose money.
I'm just looking at this 5 minutes. So your last 5 minute was nice and bullish. This 5 minutes, we've still got no top wick. So I've still got confidence here that we'll push up, create a top wick, and we should start to move up. Your 30-minute candle's also about to close, and looks like we might just close doji, which is a weak bearish candle, which is fine. Because once we break that high on the next candle, we're moving straight up to targets.
That wick is very clean.
Close bullish, it's fine, even better.
Yo.
Yeah, here comes the volume.
At least I have Connor's address to go fart him now. Because
Check
I'm
out this
out the
1
stream.
minute candle. It's a beast.
Look at EG, please. Connor can't look at EG right now just because
What
he's
is
in a
EG?
trade menu.
Euro GBP.
Yeah.
Is that even a pair?
Euro GBP, I think so.
And it must be, but wow, I haven't heard of Euro GBP in years.
But I think people on RC would enjoy trading that.
What?
Good
Euro
conditions.
spread
Or...
on RC market. Yeah, no, spread is.
Oh,
Wait, is it RC markets? No, RC markets is dollar, sorry. Not euro. No, Euro USD, but RC markets is 0 to 1 spread. Yeah.
I can't remember what pair it was. But when I first started trading, I can't remember exactly how it worked. Don't get me wrong. But what happened was you could trade like Euro
No
GBP,
problem.
and then you could play.
Huh?
You could also trade GBP Euro. It was something along those lines.
I remember that
What?
too, bro.
Yeah.
Yes, dude. I remember
So
that too. When I started out as well, that's how it was, bro. The currencies were they were opposites of one another too. Like you could like I don't know if it was like GBP JPY and JPY GBP, but there were a lot of pairs that were opposites. And I don't Jared, we still spoke about this. We still had two of the pairs up, and we still were like, "Why is it like this?" And we was, yes, I remember this clearly. This was fuck long ago. That's when I started out still.
And then what happened was I was
Ooh,
speaking to
gold.
somebody.
Gold looks
damn it.
lovely.
Are we gonna cheat in our trade right now, eh?
I would like to see a top wick being formed.
Listen, bro. The amount of times I've fucking said I want to see a wick, a top wick or a bottom wick on gold in this last week, and it hasn't shown me it.
Dude,
I
tell me
give
about
up,
it.
bro.
Yesterday there were
Fucking
like 5 hourly candles, no top wicks.
Literally, bro. Look at that big bearish candle. There's no top wick on that bitch, bro. I don't know, bro. Shop, are you saying the way I said when I called you the first time? Is that what you're talking about?
What now?
No, I'm reading the chat, man. Connor, you wanna
Yeah.
go to call?
When are we
Take
going
a
to
day.
call? Today?
You want to?
Yeah, let's go.
Why are you so excited about that?
What do you mean?
You just sounded way more excited than you normally are when I ask you to go there.
What do you mean? I wanted to see Carl's fish. Didn't he get a new fish?
You got a Moorsche piranha, bro. Don't worry, we're gonna go feed that thing. Lots of food. Oh, fuck, man, you make me laugh, bro. Yes, sis.
Oh no. Let me mute myself. Oh, fuck. If only chat knew.
This sneaker was launched so hard now.
Wait, where are you guys going?
To the aquarium.
The aquarium.
Fuck.
Jeez. You're going to an aquarium, okay?
Do I have to mute myself?
Oh no. I got the giggles today.
Are you also feeding Nico's fish today?
The way Jared came in. Where are you guys going?
Maybe I want to come with her.
Isn't there an aquarium in Pretoria?
I don't actually know, to be honest with you. I think there's a zoo. Oh, there is a zoo. I took
What's the part of it, Jared? What do you mean? There's
I took old Beza to the zoo once.
Who?
Justin Bez.
Oh, yeah. I heard the
Justin
zoo
Bieber.
then. Justin. Yeah. Jared knows Diaz, Justin Bieber, fucking everyone.
Dude, I'm just, I pull the strings as a triple wave trader. Like, everybody knows me. Like, nowadays,
Right.
I can't
So you
walk
just
around.
kidding. When Diaz walks in, the flag around his shoulders gonna have your on it at the back.
Dude, exactly. I'm glad you know that. It's gonna say at triple wave trader. One of his
Yeah,
biggest
then we can
sponsors.
see two losers lose together. I'm keen, bro.
Hey, listen to this. Guys, I am up for the day, okay?
Hey, listen, we don't talk about the day. We ignore today. Let's just leave today.
I'm up 200% because on every trade I risk everything. So
Oh, you one of those guys that change your chart to the same color. No losers. Oh,
exactly. I don't
Up
use
and
stock
down.
Oh,
options.
flip.
I've never lost a trade in my life. Only accounts.
What
Hashtag
happened?
Forex.
Oh, shit. Bro. Yo, Jared, you made me laugh by just asking where we're going, bro, and you have no idea what we're talking about. Fuck, that was
Dude,
good.
I was eating a muffin, yeah, so I wasn't really listening. And then
That's okay, bro. Don't worry. I just needed what you did. That's all. Don't stress. I'll ask Carl Connor and see what he says.
Okay, cool.
Well, there goes the gold idea. If that okay, that's
I'm only gonna let go of the sell idea if it breaks 1700.
Yeah, if it breaks the previous 30-minute high, I will forget this idea. I haven't got sell stops in just yet, but I'm thinking about having sell stops on the break of this current candle low.
No, I thought you were on an hour candle, but you're on 15. That's why I said that.
Oh, GJ. Kind of just have to see what goes on with GJ here.
I wonder if Carl's in chat, bro. I doubt it.
Yeah, I'm sure he would have said something by now.
Yeah, I would have WhatsApped or some shit, you know. Oh. He says it's chilled if I'm the Carl. Fucking hell.
What?
He says it's chilled if he's the Carl that we're talking about. Like, what other Carl are we gonna talk about?
Oh, is that... What are you WhatsApping him?
Yeah, he's watching you, right? I told you.
Oh.
I was
Oh,
getting
on his
into it.
TV.
Yeah, but he just can't type, so he WhatsApp me.
Gold moved well yesterday, a moment of silence for those who moved to break even.
Oh, you know what, Carl's confused. A moment for those who move to break even. Listen, Kevin, please, bro. Can you leave me alone and stop attacking me, dude?
Yeah,
Come on.
This is discrimination, eh?
I'm
He says
personally
he-
attacked.
He's at fighting Nico Day today between Kevin and Jared.
Oh, dude, I'm just prepping like Nate Diaz is gonna beat Comes At Maya, so
Oh, no, I get it, bro. You're trying to like prep yourself so you can like go at me now. So when DS loses and I go at you, you can just, I get it, bro. No problem, bro.
you're gonna eat them words, eat them words.
But you know why, Connor? Do you know why Carl's confused, bro? Because we said we're gonna go feed the fish by Carl. So Carl doesn't know what the fuck's going on.
Yesterday I
Going-
took sales during New York, and that news came out
What's up?
and price gapped down. I just closed as soon as it
Did you
gapped
see
down,
the
like
wait?
10 pips.
Actually, go 4 hours and go to gold, bro.
Yeah.
Mafia.
Did you see that gap there on the 4 hour?
I don't see
The
gaps
gap-
here on Orlando.
Oh fuck, you don't. So did you? Oh, you saw it on the MFF.
Let's see.
Did you see it or not?
I'm gonna look.
Do you know? What
I saw it gap down when it happened. I was
Yeah.
in the trade.
Oh, we're in the trade. Okay, my bad.
Yeah, I was celebrating when it gapped down. Because
Yeah,
I was a
like,
little
like
bit worried
14.
about the news, but I was very confident in the higher time frame. What is happening on gold?
Do you hear, Jared? The next candle opened on that thing with 14 pips down, bro. Like it gapped 14 pips, I think it was, and then opened down. Imagine,
That-
bro, and you sell. You're literally getting a 14 pip for free right there. Yeah, take it.
But that always, like, from my experience with gaps, they always come back to full.
Yeah,
Yeah,
they,
it did come back and fall, but it.
like pushed down still. Like it filled it and pushed down, like wick to it, and then came down again.
So the candle closed at 1708.80. The next candle opened up at 1706.80. So 20 pips.
This. And then it
And
wicked
then it
literally back
dropped
to-
another like 30 or so, 30, 40 pips.
And to where did that wick go, Connor? To the end, like the
It dipped all the way to 1702.
no, the top wick before, like.
Oh no, it
completely.
basically just filled the gap and then continued back down.
Yeah. Yes, and you were in that trade. That must have been very nice.
Very nice.
Very, very nice. Going Mafia, what's up, G?
Going Mafia. What's up?
Trying to think of the people, Connor, the amount of people I've told about you at my gym, bro. Like when I said that to you, I wasn't playing on the call yesterday. I really told so many people about you at gym, bro.
Short, bro. Appreciate it. I hope they're on here or joining.
What did you say, Jared?
We Connor's spokesman, bro. I always say, yes, when anybody speaks to about trading, then I'm like, yeah, man, we live stream, we make Connor, we jump on.
I'll say the same thing. I'll just
You
say,
guys just
listen,
join.
I don't teach. This is what I say to them, bro. I say, I do this, it's what I do for a living, but I don't teach no one. I have a mate, Connor, he does live streams from 8 o'clock till 10, 11. You can go watch him, you can piggyback, or you can learn from him. I can give you his name, go subscribe, and that's about it.
What I do is I'm like, yo, one of my mates, he live streams. His name is Daddy. I mean, his name is Connor.
Someone's watching too much C-bomb, clearly.
Yeah.
Connor's our C-bomb.
But
I
you
wish
see
I was
that
that big.
Bro, did you see what in a suit and his vein was showing through his pants? What the fuck?
In a suit.
In a fucking suit, my guy.
He's a horse, bro. He's got horse legs. Have you seen that?
Bro, your vein showing through your fucking pants, bro. Are you mad?
Dude, you know your legs are small when your legs don't even show through the suit. Just
We hit the 700 subs. Oh, Connor hit 700 subs last night. Yeah.
And then I woke up this morning, it was on 698.
Hi, bro. Who we moving? Nah, we fighting now. Now we fight. It's fight night.
Thanks,
You don't need to watch
today.
videos, Chico.
Once we break this previous 30-minute high, I'll move stops to below that candle.
Oh, by the way, do you know that when you didn't stream for those how many ever days it was, you
Two.
lost like up to 10 subs? You. Yeah. I watched
these
it.
hoes ain't loyal. These hoes ain't loyal.
But I mean, we've had the 35 viewers for a long time, so I think today's gonna be a nice day for your stats as well.
Yeah.
yeah, but Connor said if Diaz loses, he's gonna delete his channel. So have to start from zero again.
If Diaz
No.
loses,
I mean, if Diaz loses, then he's gonna delete his channel.
bro, that's like a
really heard him say
99% chance that I delete my channel. Not
that.
happening.
That's
I'll delete
You
my
can't
channel
do
if
that.
Nate wins.
Okay, dude,
You
I'm
played-
holding you to that. I'm not even joking, bro.
Those channels
I'm
never
really-
fucking play, bro.
Okay, let's move stops to below the previous 30-minute candle. 165, 470. I think it just makes sense at this point. 26 pips.
Seeing that Carl's, yeah. What time do you want to go, Connor? So that we can ask Carl now.
I'm chilled with whenever. I was thinking about not even going to gym today.
Me too.
I'm pretty sore, so like sometime after the stream,
Carl.
12.
Is that okay? Carl, WhatsApp me now and then tell me.
I just need to go buy a machete first.
And you need to buy tissues as well, so that when you delete your channel, you can wipe away your tears.
You're funny.
Are we gonna start ignoring this kid about Diaz?
Yeah, I think
Mm.
so.
I think I'm just
Jared,
ignoring-
this Diaz thing isn't happening.
Wait, when is this fight, bro? Please tell me it's
It's
soon.
this weekend,
Oh, thank the fucking Pope, bro. I don't
so
have
we
to
can
pretend
put it to
that
rest next week.
No, then next week I'm gonna be celebrating all week. Yeah.
That poor guy's gonna be so depressed next week, Shane.
Nah, dude.
Yeah, Jared, bro, I'm gonna gun you next week. If Diaz loses in the first round, like I said, you must know. Next week must come, bro. Don't even fucking come to this Discord because you're gonna have it. Yeah. You're gonna have it. I'm telling you,
I'm gonna
So-
take a.
it's a nice week.
15-minute close, bearish, but very small body, and we've got a nice wick to the bottom. So we've clearly respected the support, and we have stayed above this resistance level. So it doesn't look too bad. And that bottom wick right there is your bottom wick on the 30-minute as well. And we are respecting previous candle lows.
A nice week, man.
It is a
Especially
nice
to
wick.
happen. Especially to happen twice now. 30 minute, both doing the same week. In the same hour. It should be confirmation to drive, bro. One thing I cannot understand is GJ candles, bro. Like, I don't understand how these things get filled on wicks and stuff. Gold, I can read pretty decently, I have to say.
I think
But
this gold
GJ
idea is out the window.
Oh yeah, no, that's chalked. Yo, well, it depends, bro. It might be a
Yeah.
fake. Might be a fake out. So we'll see.
Hourly could still come back and close like a bearish doji. It's 13
think-
minutes, yeah. What the
Personally,
hell,
for
GG?
myself with gold now, I would rather wait for a break of the lows.
It depends if this is a fake out or not. Then I would agree on that. Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, boys, I'm gonna be off for the morning. I've got a.
Are you in on this? Are you in on this? Man?
myself.
Are you in on this like bar that we are in on? Well, that
No,
Connor's in.
I don't trade GJ.
Oh yeah, fuck, bro. I always forget you don't do GJ at all, bro. Like at all.
Only gold.
Anyway, you say you got a coffee? What?
Yeah, I'm gonna be off. I have to shower and alles quick, and then I have to get ready.
You have a date?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to find you someone before the weekend to at least fucking comfort you a little bit, bro.
So, yes. I'm gonna see how that goes.
Enjoy it, bro. Have a good time.
She said, I'm not gonna say where, because she said I don't want all my fans to pitch up there.
You mustn't say it. You must put it on your stream, on the screen, with some postal code as well, please.
Cheers,
Yeah.
Jared.
Cheers, boys. I'll check you.
Cheers, Jared.
Sorry, nah. I'm like focused, so I just heard him say he's going, and I was like, sorry, cheers.
Cheers, check yokes, eh?
Sure, sure.
Cheers.
Carl says he's got the machete, bro. He says anytime is fine and he's got a machete. Don't worry. You don't need to go to the shop.
Shot. I think GJ's gonna come and tell us that we shouldn't have moved our stop loss.
You said smelt the stop loss, get entered closer. Not to get
Yeah.
tasted now.
Yeah.
It depends. If we break the low of the 15, the wick, then we might have a problem.
Yeah. But even then, I think once
Yeah.
we do break those lows, you know, our original stops probably would have got hit. So we've taken off
For sure.
about 12 pips here,
Yeah, just to be safe.
10 pips or so.
Fuck, but I'm annoyed with myself for losing 4.7%. I'm done with Asian though, hey? I forgot to tell you.
Is it?
Yeah, I told myself a few days ago if I have well, 2 days ago, I told myself if I have another Asian session where I lose, I'm calling it. Because I've had like maybe 6 Asian sessions like recently, and I've probably lost 4 of them now. So like full losers, not break-even losers.
But
So
it's
to me, it's
tough
not worth
waking
it.
up for Asian.
I'm awake, bro. It's not that I'm waking up.
Oh,
I'm
you don't
awake.
go to sleep.
Nah, I don't sleep, dude. I'm not waking up for it.
Oh,
So
that's trolled.
I go sleep after Asian and I wake up for this for London now. So that's more than enough sleep, dude. But thing is, Conrad, did you see Monday what happened on gold in Asian? What? That's when it went to go that the first 4 hours from 12 o'clock to about 4 a.m., bro. That's that big spark to the 20s. Go to a 1 hour, bro. And then
Yeah.
go. You see those 3 big ass bull candles that push that high with the big ass wick?
Oh, yeah, that is Monday,
low.
yeah.
Yeah, that little baby bear candle before the big push is the open, bro, of 12.
Wait, what?
Yeah, right there we go, bro. Yeah, a little bit down,
this.
bro. That big candle, it's those 3 candles are the open of that morning, bro. Those candles weren't there. That whole push, bro, from like 09 or 10 or 17, 10 or something like that, all the way up to that 26 or 25, I think. That was all within like Asian, bro, and it just went. It didn't look back. It didn't nothing. And I mean, GJ did the same thing the one morning as well. So there's lots of volume that does come into play, but then there's mornings where it doesn't even fucking move, bro. Like it literally just sits. But there's more volume, I would say. I don't think Asian is the same anymore. Asian never used to move because I always used to like look at it.
There's some clean moves in Asian, but I think maybe it
100%.
has its times where it does move nicely, and then it has its times where it's dead.
I was gonna ask you. There's some Justin was talking to me. There's some JPY news coming out, and we want to trade it in Asian. I know I just said I'm not going to trade another Asian, but if it's news related and you and Justin are going to be on it, then I would do it. But I wanted to ask you if you are keen to try trade that news. But I'm not sure what he was talking about, if it's this week or next week.
Nah, I'm not gonna, because the thing is, I go to bed early, so I would have to wake up. And
Yeah,
I'm
that's
not gonna
fine, bro.
wake up and trade.
Why not? You don't have to start a stream. You just wake up and trade.
No, I wouldn't stream Asian. I don't see
No,
the
obviously.
point. I think most of the viewers here are,
No,
there's like no one from America. I think,
for sure.
guys from Asia.
No, but what I'm saying is like, for example, you'd like you wouldn't have to like get out of bed. You can sit in your bed on your laptop and trade.
Oh
You're
yeah.
just on this shit. So it's not that bad, you know what I mean?
Oh no, trust me, that's what I do for Asian. If I trade Asian, I'm in my bed.
But yeah, like last time when when news came out and me and Justin were trading it based off the news, we had a good night or a good morning. Lots of volume came in, like a fuck ton of volume. What did we trade of JPY? I can't remember what it was, bro, to be honest.
Trend line rejection on a 5 minutes? I hope so.
Wait, what? Use trend line. Asian session stream would be great. You hear that there, Connor? John says you must go Asian sessions stream, bro. Yeah, that was a lot of S's. Fuck one off.
Oh shit, look at this. Might come down and tap this little trend line right here.
One on the toe.
Cutting it fine though. Our stops are pretty close.
I woke up at 1 AM for Asian last night just to watch gold drop 100 pips in 15 minutes.
Oof.
Was it 1 AM when that happened? Bro, okay, so what happened to me, I think it's, how do I say this name again, Connor?
E3.
E3, yeah.
E3.
E3, I don't know, you probably have to say it with that accent to
Yeah,
say
I
it
think
pronounce
so.
it. But anyway. What happened to me last night was I was in a trade at 10 o'clock, bro. And then before market closed at 11, it ran up like 20 pips, I think. Maybe 15 to 20 pips, it ran up. And then market opened at 12. Bro, that thing ran down for the full hour. Then literally turned and never looked back. And then clearly that big-ass bear candle came in and ran down to 95. Well, 94. And our I told you our TP was 95, eh? For that sell that we were in.
Yeah.
No, our TP was 95. We should have just, if me and Justin held maybe 5-6 pips longer, we wouldn't have been out the trade. But
Yeah, it's bleak, but it happens. John Wick. What's up?
John, that's dope.
Come on, GJ.
Nah, Lafata definitely needs to. I just think it's struggling to get new highs because that's such a fucking high. So I think it's like just fighting it, but I do think it's going to continue up.
I think fundamentally, technically, it makes sense to continue driving up. I know we've pushed up a lot, but there's nothing really stopping price from continuing up to 166. Okay, pushing up.
I just wish I was still holding this fucking trade, bro.
I think you're lucky you're not. Well, I'm hoping it plays out, but what a pain.
John Wick, he already says, now you both can fit your pants. Connor and John
GJ
Wick.
shorting, yo. Now, I'm still confident in buys here. But I mean, just this up and down is playing on my
But
nerves
if you look
here.
at the team, bro, there's like, even though it's taking its time, there's still highs being formed. So.
And lows being respected. This 15-minute respected
Hold on.
previous 15-minute lows perfectly.
There are some breaks, yes, but it comes back. It breaks, it does come back, and then it retests everything. So, I mean, it's valid still.
Yeah, it's still valid.
So, either you or John Wick are getting uppercutted very soon.
Sorry, John Wick. You're gonna have to take one for the team here, bro.
You say you're gonna hit him with the jab and then the straight right, Connor.
Yeah, I hit him with the 1-2 there.
Fuck, I laugh, bro. There's that joke. They asked the guy was getting divorced in court because he hit his wife, and the judge asked him, "How can you hit your wife like that?" And he said, "Well, it was the jab and the straight right that made it work." Yes, that's bro. Imagine.
Jeez, like, it's pretty rough.
ER had hectic on gold, eh?
Yeah. No,
Fuck
listen.
me. Yeah. Fox, we just want to get to fucking 165, 700, bro.
Oh, it's coming.
The price of the dividend is still above open price. Nani?
Volume's gonna kick in on the next hourly candle. We've got 1.5
100%.
minutes.
But just read quickly.
My rule is to buy below open price of day and sell above. I don't know, that sounds kind of counterintuitive. Like, it sounds like you're trading against the trend. Because for instance, today,
You have to trade against the trend, because if he only comes in now, and you're gonna sell it, then I mean that's against trend.
yeah, if you're selling above the open price, why?
It doesn't work all the time, but when it does, it's a killer. Well, I mean, I suppose if it does work, it's a banger of a banger.
Yeah,
because then
yeah.
it
If it does work,
Ooh.
then it's like you're getting basically a wick entry on the daily candle.
Mm,
I don't think today is the time.
to be honest, I don't think August was the time for that, bro. So
Yeah, August was rough.
yeah,
The end of August was nice. Things started to pick up.
and beginning of September, not right now.
Yeah.
How can this thing make a new high, not draft, bro? This is what I don't understand, GJ, dude. On gold, it makes a new high, that thing's gone. It's running for 10 to 15 pips.
Bro, if this thing doesn't run, I'm not even gonna
Brace
take
for-
accountability. I'm gonna say it was the banks.
Listen to. Did you read?
Brace for
Brace for
impact on the
impact.
1 hour bottom wick.
Oh fuck! And there's no bottom wick.
Nah, there's
Do you
bottom
trade-
wick. It's gonna flip now. Do I trade US? No. Sometimes I trade New York, but I don't stream it. Here we go. Here we go, boys.
Hey, Lufates, yeah, bro, have some respect.
Boys and ladies.
She said she's a Oma. Remember that. Can't even say Oma.
Mama.
Mum. That's so close to breaking that hard, bro.
Sayonara. Guys are very welcome for the 50 pips. Love you so much. See you tomorrow. Just let it run for the rest of the day. I'm out of here.
Imagine just leaving everyone in a trade like that on the stream. Yeah.
But imagine it just ran.
Imagine just went 50 pubs and you let you close and switch the stream straight the fuck off, bro. That would have been so funny, actually. Yes, I am. I'm a grandma to a 2-year-old. That doesn't mean you're Oma. You're just maybe a young grandma.
Gilf. Sorry. I don't know, is that rude or like maybe it's inappropriate? I'm really sorry. What is going on?
Wow, that face, Connor. Oh, fuck me. You need to stop your nonsense today, Connor. You're making me laugh too much, bro. Thank fuck. Don't rewind.
don't rewind. It wasn't that bad. Here we go. There's really nothing stopping price here.
Marcus? No, we don't need that negativity here, bro. Marcus, we don't need that negativity over here.
Hey, Marcus, get out of here.
Put him in timeout, bro. He needs to relax. I still can't believe you put Kalen in timeout, bro. That made me laugh.
Nah, dude. I don't tolerate disrespect.
Who got disrespected? You or her?
Me? How can you tell
What
me you don't play
happened?
chess and then you go and beat me in chess?
How, bro? Okay, wait. Did she really play? Did she really play chess before? And then she just trolled you? What?
I'm sure she's played before.
Did you just see GJ do that? Or did I just see that alone?
Pitchfork channel. What is a pitchfork channel?
Isn't that a indicator that you can add on TradingView?
Oh.
You said you don't know what a shark. Oh yeah, you don't. Never mind. Is it? Am I right or wrong?
Ooh.
Wait, which one though? What the fuck is this?
You see, I wouldn't know how to lay it out. Let's try something like this.
What?
No. I'll get it right. Don't worry. We're learning about pitchfork channels today, boys.
Oh,
It's
he's
just
got an
like
auto pitchfork for MT4.
Trend line.
Oh, sorry. Well, Marcus, if you're on the Discord, send a picture into the Discord, into the community channel, so we can just see it, and then Connor will pull it up for us to see. It has a little bottom wick, I think, doesn't it, Connor?
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Where's BE, by the way?
No, I'm not gonna go break even in a rush here.
No, I'm just asking where's the break-even point?
No, I'm saying I haven't actually
you
planned
don't
out a
want to-
break even point. I don't want to go break even in a rush. We are sitting at about 15 pips.
Your broker might just not have a bottom wick, but this is TradingView. So TradingView to my broker, sometimes it's the same thing. TradingView has a bottom wick, and my broker doesn't have a bottom wick.
Mine does.
So, no. I'm just saying
Oh.
maybe they.
Oh yeah,
doesn't.
sometimes.
No.
I think let's go break even at 20 pips. So there's no logic to that really. That's one thing I will say. You know, there's no particular level at 20 pips that I'm looking at. It's just 20 pips. The thing is, there's nothing stopping price from moving up here. I'm not saying that it's a certainty. But I mean, look left. Or maybe,
Actually, Connor, bro, let's go gym today, dude. I'm not gonna join. Get me in there for free.
what's this?
Let's go gym.
Where?
By Edge. Get me in by Edge, bro. Just tell them you wanna bring the guy that wants to join. Tell them I'm not sure. Say you did bring me before, but I wanna come one more time to make sure.
To make sure.
To make sure the weights are heavy enough for me. Come on, then we can do gym and we can do call.
We have actually tapped into some sort of level here to the left. Maybe it's a good idea to go break even. I don't want us to come back to break even and take a loss, you know?
Go look, didn't
Well, when Marcus has sent that thing, let's suss that thing out. I'm keen to see it.
I'm gonna move stops to break even. Been sitting here for a while, already taken one win today, so let's see.
You're not keen for the gym, so just join and then you're gonna come.
Hey, you wanna go gym today?
Yeah.
I'll speak to them. I wasn't too keen to go in gym today.
Yeah, but you can get keen. We can let you go to Carl, then we can do gym, or we can do gym, then go to Carl. Like we can just see and then yeah. I mean, if you're not keen, we can just go to Carl. But I'm just saying
Yeah,
because
let's just go
I'm
to
also
Carl.
because then if you're not, I'm also not gonna gym. Then that's the thing. That's why I was trying to like get you to go so we can actually gym.
So we could come and retest this previous resistance and just blast off up, and we would just get tapped out. But it's also the last hour of the 4-hour candle, so maybe it's a good idea to just put stops at break even.
How many pips did that
I'm
candle
out.
get?
I'm out.
Oh shit. Okay. Break even. Nothing wrong with that.
Ran up like
For
15 pips.
for sitting in drawdown for so long, I'd rather take a break even than come back.
Yeah, I'd rather take a break even than a loss after sitting in drawdown for
Fucking
so long.
drawdown. What's gold doing?
Jeez. Yeah, I wouldn't know how to approach gold right now. 4 hours, very bullish.
Candle comes and flips under that on the hour, bro. You sell that bitch.
But I mean, we are at this resistance.
Not a swing trader. Connor?
Nah, not a swing trader. No.
We just daily markers and then we do the shit, bro. One minute, bro. It literally looks like a fake out now. Go look in, when you finish it, just go look at the Discord. Do you see what Marcus posted, Con?
Okay, oh well now.
Yeah.
Stops were pretty big here. I think 38, 36 pips. And we hit break even. Discord.
Gonna have a break even trade that doesn't have a 0 next to it. Like 10 trades up. I'm just saying.
I'll check now.
Yep. Still in the first trade at break even now. Wait, what?
What?
zoom in on that top there, can you?
No.
It's like I know what it's like. Con. It's like what's that thing we use the ones
Is this the right thing that I'm looking at here?
It has to be, bro, because
Is this from Marcus?
Marcus, is this from you, bro?
Wait, who?
Wait, isn't this a? Yes, this is what he's talking about.
Look at GJ. See, we've come to retest this previous resistance. I have a feeling price is not going to stop moving up from this point.
Doesn't matter. B is better than a loss. If she runs, she runs, bro. If anyone in streams holding it, that's dope for them, bro. What was your first trade entry, Connor?
First entry?
Your first trade on
165, 535.
Then
It
how was
was
that
pre-London. It was right here on the break of this bearish candle.
GJ Fib for 1 minute.
Yeah, those initial entries would have been running nicely.
Yeah. You moved to BE too fast though. Was that what happened?
Yeah.
The last 5 minutes sitting up for engulfing. So
Yeah, look, no. I think it's best to just call it a day.
yeah.
Price could push up here, but you know what it is. It is what it is.
I mean, shit, everyone's in profit at the moment. No one's losing at the moment. So if you're still holding,
Yeah, if you're still holding any of these trades from today, you would have been in profit right now. And if you managed risk, then well done.
yeah. I think there is someone in chat that's holding from your first position, your 530 position.
I saw someone said something. Anyway.
Yeah. 430 pip trade on that one actually. That would have been nice.
Might see some more upside on gold.
Yeah.
Because this 4 hour is closing nice and bullish. Look at dollar index. We're seeing some weakness on the dollar here today.
You know what we were looking at earlier, me and Justin, because dollar index was closed. We were looking at Bitcoin against the dollar, and when Bitcoin was coming, when Bitcoin was coming down, it showed us that dollar was getting stronger, and then
Unless we find support somewhere in this area at like 110, if we break that level and drive down, you could see gold move up for the rest of the day. Maybe we come back up and retest like 1709.
Yeah, 1709, then probably 1715, and then the 20th. I think it's 25.
I'd like to see what happens at 1708, 1709. Maybe form support right there. Check, there's an order block.
Oh yeah.
Order block gang.
But there's like 3 levels we need to break though, and then this thing's going back to the highs of the highs.
Anyway guys, that's it for the day. If you are still in the GJ trade, my initial targets would have been 166.080. I'd probably close out 75% at that point, maybe 80, and leave runners to 166, 650, let's say. Other than that, took a break even, yeah. 1 win, 1 break even. Not a bad day.
Sounds like a good day.
Yeah, pretty good day. Just be aware on GJ for the rest of the day. You know, once we tap into that resistance, things could get a little bit funky. But overall, we are bullish, still bullish. So don't try to get too clever here. And gold, also just be careful. We could form resistance at any point and continue moving down. I'd say it's in a pretty tricky spot.
Sure, Moto.
Cheers, Moto. I wouldn't be in a rush to trade gold today, unless something sets up. But anyway, guys, thank you for joining today. Thanks, Nico, for joining.
Stay in Discord.
Okay, cool.
Alright, sure.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers, chat. Cheers, chat.